Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the dimmable floor lamp from the Nintiue store. This particular one that I bought is the matte black with the white linen shade. It's a good looking lamp. Installation was super easy, probably takes 5 minutes or less. Has the heavy weighted base right there, as most of the floor lamps do. And also right here, the feature that I really like is the dimmable light switch. Another feature I like on this lamp is the ability to tilt the lampshade so you can shine light however you want to shine it. All right, let's give you an example. Let's show you with the light bulb on. Now this shade came with a warm bulb, so the light is warm. Of course, you can put any kind of bulb you want, but here I am increasing the brightness. That's at its full brightness. It's a very cozy, very warm light in my living room. So I'm going to decrease it and turn it off. So yeah, that is exactly what we wanted. We wanted a dimmable floor lamp, and we particularly do like warm lights in our house, so this is perfect for us. This is the bulb it came with right here. This is that warm light. Let me show you what the lamp would look like with that three-way bulb that has different color temps. So there's the warm. So I'm gonna turn it off, back on. There's a much cooler, much whiter light. So I'm gonna turn it off again and back on. And that's kind of a cross between the warm and the cold or cooler white light. This is a really good looking floor lamp. I think it would look good in most any room of your home. We like it. I think you will too. So if you're looking at this floor lamp, I hope you found my video helpful.